How do you place surface mount components as a hobbyist? Well, the obvious way, a set of tweezers. These are pretty cheap, they're $4 or so off wherever you like to buy it. Get some slightly fancier ones. They're designed for placing surface mount components. They've got a bit of a, not a hook, but a sort of larger surface on the end for handling components. They work very nicely. But what if you're placing a lot of different components or a lot of the same components repeatedly? You want something to pick up and handle a lot of things. Cheap little $10 sort of aquarium type pump would work off eBay. Bit of tubing, and on the end of that, a little syringe, a blunt needle on the end. I think they're called a draw-up syringe or draw-up needle, and a little hole drilled in the side of the syringe. I've got a clip on that I can clip to my shirt or something to hold the tube stable because it's quite heavy. And how does it work? Well, let me show you. Let's grab a board here to look at and bring you in there. And I can power up that pump. And if I bring in my syringe, I've got a little hole there I can cover, place the tip of the syringe over the component, cover the hole, pick up the component, place it down under the board, uncover the hole, and it's on. With a little bit of practice, you can do that very quickly, very reliably, without spending a fortune on fancy equipment. You see little manual pickup things with tips. For components this size and a little bit larger, I've never had to bother with a tip. If you were working with larger components, you'd probably want to go back to tweezers or something else anyway. Hope that helps you. It's a sort of thing that sort of took me a while to work out sort of what the right solution is, and this is dirt cheap, super easy. Hope it helps you.